will fix something interesting. So hang on. Okay friends, this crocodile test is in troubled because suppose this mouth, when you try to lift it up, it won't it won't close directly. But now there's something wrong with him, because suppose it will open and engage like that, before he will close, you will just to push this teeth random to disengage the lock under on his mechanics or mechanism. So but now if I open, it won't stop, it will close back. So I decide we will try to look inside of these toys and let us see what happened inside, what's going on, or something wrong, and then we will find out. So by the way, I found a precision screwdriver. Side by side you have a bit replacement, 4 pieces in a package. So and this one will perfectly fit to these 6 small screws. So we will open this here, one, so now no more screws underneath. So first we will pop up this head like so that we can remove the head with his upper jaw teeth. So what's left behind, we must be careful. We must tear it down very carefully so that we won't damage anything inside this dentist croco. Okay, this is the tail part, and this is the lower teeth, lower jaw. There's a series of connected series of teeth. So this is the assembly. This is the mechanic assembly for this toy. It's not really complicated, but we will try to find out how this one will work. So there is a spring. This is shall we say the shaft, and in the middle there is a cam drive. Let us say it is a cam drive. Yes. I'm not a mechanic. I'm not much know about I don't have any knowledge about this mechanical term, but I will try my best of what I can what I can say about the parts of this system. So let us find out how this it works. Okay, if we try to take a closer look, there is somewhat like cut off protruding square. So this will rotate clockwise if you try to crank this mount, because this mount is connected here. If you try to crank this mount like so, this last portion of this COM drive will surpass this small square there, and it will lock together so that this will be ready to engage, to snap back. So to release, because it is now, for example, you already cranked it, and still the mount is like retained and ready to go, waiting for disengage for the down locking mechanism, which is, you see here, this red round connected to this. By the way, if you as far as this one will behave, as they behave, if you see, this is there is a follower, this one, you see the two how do you call that, legs, like leg. When you try to crank this like so, this act will like a rush it, and this one now it's already been surpassed and locked the COM drive and this red locking mechanism, and pushing this follower to turn this like how can I say this, like blade spinning like boomerang thing, and on that way now it is ready to release when this upper mount is on that position. So while this part is already here, when you try to push this one by one, this will hit this boomerang thing and push it this around locking parts and release. As you heard that clicking sound, so it already released this mount and close back again. That is the that is how this one will works. So now we know already the functions. So at first we know already how this one will works. Now the problem now, why this will suddenly snap back while it won't lock. So my solution my solution to the problem is I add another you see the like foamy material there. I add almost half an inch foam, so that it will push little bit to this locking mechanism. A locking mechanism, so that it will holds exactly to this CAM drive. I suspect that this is the problem. I thought that this is the stopper to stop this gears, but it is on the it on this part, this square, protruding square. So now I will try to reassemble again, and we will find, or we will try, and it won't snap back on its own. Okay, so now I put it back again completely. So let us try this croco thing. Let us see that it's already been fixed. So let us open the mouth. Okay, now he is good to go. Croco dentist. This is the actions of how the inventors created this toy, just only to give your child a smile on their face. And some of us don't even realize how they spend their time to draw sketches, make designs, spend their time, and manufactured into the market, making a sale. So for the children's, just take care of your things, your toys. Avoid damage your toys, so that if maybe some other children's ahead will come to you, they can use it. They can't use it for a second time. So thank you and good luck. Crocodile dentist. There's a fire in his eyes, ready to cut your finger.